Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. Today we're going to make jambalaya. Yep, jambalaya. Joe's been wanting some jambalaya and it's been a while since I made some, so we are making jambalaya today. So we're going to need some chicken thighs, skinless, boneless. I prefer, it's less work. And a pork roast. We're going to chop that up. And we're also going to need some andouille and some pork sausage. So let's get started. Alrighty, we're going to get our chicken thighs cut up. You just want to cut them into bite-sized pieces. It's better to do all of your prep the night before, because this takes kind of a little while to get everything chopped up and ready. Next, you want to get a pork roast, and you want to chop that up into bite-sized pieces also. Then I'm going to go ahead and slice my sausage, and you want them in about those size pieces. I mean, you can do them bigger, you can do them smaller, you can do them however you want. But this is how I like mine. So now that we have all of our meats cut up, I'm going to heat the cast iron pot, and I'm going to put some olive oil in it so that we can start getting the meat done. Alrighty. Alrighty, so we're going to get chopping our Trinity, bell pepper, celery, and onion. After you let your pork cook for about 15-20 minutes, then you want to put your chicken in. And this is 2 8-packs of boneless chicken thighs, skinless too. And then you want to let that cook for probably about 15-20 minutes, and then put your sausage in. So I just put some seasoning on my chicken and pork after I put the chicken in, and I just forgot to show you guys, but I put about a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and about 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Alrighty, chicken looks like it's ready to come out. Alrighty, now we're going to add the sausage. Alrighty, had our sausage cooking for about 20 minutes. going to take this out and put our veggies in. Alright, I turned my fire down to about medium-low. And these are going to cook for a good while, probably about 30-45 minutes. We're still going at it, cooking the veggies down. They're looking good, smelling even better. Alrighty. So I preheated the oven to 350. We're going to do this in the oven. And my veggies look good. So I am going to start adding the chicken stock. Okay, I added some seasoning to the meat when I was cooking it, so I'm going to add some seasoning to the chicken stock. I'm going to add some more Worcestershire sauce. Some more garlic powder. Some more onion powder. A little bit of oregano leaves. And I'm going to add some more Cajun seasoning. I'm not adding any salt since I'm using chicken stock. Alright, I'm going to add my meat back. Alrighty, it's boiling. I'm going to add my rice. Let that come back to a boil. Alrighty, I'm going to put the lid on and we'll get this in the oven. Alright, I had to get some muscle.
Just like that?
Yep. Alrighty, I'm going to go about 1 hour and 15. Alrighty, it's time to take it out. Joe's going to do that.
If I could see it.
Now we have to let it sit for about 10 minutes. And then we can pop the top. Alrighty, let's see.
Well, It looks like jambalaya.
Yes, it does.
Smells like jambalaya. See what that rice looks like. That rice looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Look at that.
Nice.
You want to taste some?
Let's let it cool down a little bit. Or come back to it in a few minutes. You did it!
Yay!
That is really, really good. That's your best batch of jambalaya you've ever made.
Alright everyone, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, and give me a thumbs up if you like this. Tell me what you think if you make it.